Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add emoji in Slack. So first click on the emoji button right here, then click on add emoji, and as you can see there's an upload an image right here, and you could also pick emoji packs right here. Well, if you want custom emoji, just click on here, but just make sure that square images that are under 128 kilobytes and with transparent backgrounds work best. If your image is too large, we'll try to resize for you. So just click on upload image. So pick anything. I will pick this one, and I'm gonna name it, say, super hot. Go and save, and boom, that has been added. Let's say it is so hot today. And click this one, then scroll down to the very bottom so you can see all your custom emojis. So let's find ours. So this one is ours, the super hot one. Click on it and click on answer. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because I helps reach more people. See you on the next one.